It is early. The house is so quiet.
It's a perfect sunny day for fishing at the canal.
I am so sleepy.
Can I sleep 5 more minutes?
No way, Genu. Wake up, we're going on an adventure. Eat your eggs, Genu. Breakfast gives you energy. I need lots of energy to catch a giant shark today.
Did you pack your camera, Rumi?
Yes. I want to take beautiful photos of the canal.
Can you help me carry the fishing rods to the car?
Yes. I am the strongest helper in the house.
You certainly are.
Did we pack the sunscreen and the bug spray?
Yes, Mom. Everything is in the blue backpack.
The GPS says the canal is about 30 minutes away.
That's a nice short road trip for a Sunday morning.
Are we there yet? My legs want to run. You literally just asked that 2 minutes ago, Genu. Fingers crossed we actually catch a big fish today. Fingers crossed. I hope it is bigger than my head.
We made it! Welcome to the Royal Canal, everyone! Wow!
Wow! The water looks so clear and shiny.
Let's set up our picnic blanket right here in the shade.
It is so green and peaceful here. I hear birds singing.
First, I need to tie the hook. You must be careful with it.
I am watching closely. I won't touch the sharp part.
Now, throw it gently into the water. Just like that.
Splash!
Splash!
It went in! Did I do it right, Dad?
Just like that.
Your dad is a very good and patient teacher.
Yeah, let's hope the fish are ready to learn too. Why aren't the fish biting? Are they ignoring me?
You only threw the line in 10 seconds ago, buddy. Fishing takes time. Patience is important.
But waiting is so hard. I want to catch one now. Listen to the wind. It sounds like a forest song. This is the perfect place to relax and slow down.
I should quickly check my work email. Just one.
No phone today, Michael. You need to unplug and relax.
Sigh.
Look, Rumi. A colorful butterfly landed on the rod. Shh, stay quiet so I can take a perfect photo.
You have to be as quiet as a shadow so the fish come.
Ooh, I am a silent jungle ninja. Mom, I'm starving. Can I have a snack now? Here, have an apple. It's sweet and crunchy.
Did you get some good photos of the butterfly?
Yes, the natural lighting here is absolutely beautiful. The float moved! Did I catch a giant fish? Ah!
It was just the wind, Genu. Hang in there. What does hang in there mean, Dad?
It means don't give up. Keep trying.
And waiting. Oh, I get it now.
Genu is actually sitting quietly. That is a miracle. Nature has a magical way of calming him down.
Dad! The float is gone! Something is pulling! Set the hook, Genu! Pull up now!
Look! I caught the biggest fish in the canal! Wow! It's so big and shiny! Good job, Genu!
Everyone stay still. Smile for the camera. Perfect! I got the best shot ever!
Wait!
Dad! The float is going down! It's under the water!
Steady. Grab the rod, but don't pull it too fast. Hold the rod tight. I will help you pull it.
Oh, God!
Oh, it's pulling really hard. It's a monster.
Bring it closer to the edge of the grass, Genu! Ah! I am trying. My arms are shaking. It's super strong.
Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, lift! Whoa! It flew out of the water. Look at it splash.
I got it in the net. It can't escape now.
Great teamwork, everyone. That was amazing.
Look how big it is, Dad. I really caught one.
You did it, Genu.
I I'm so proud of your hard work.
See? Your patience finally paid off.
Patience is important.
You were completely right, Dad.
Smile for the camera, champion fisherman. Ah! Cheese! This is the best Sunday ever.
Seeing him smile like that is priceless.
It really is. This was the perfect family day out.
Hungry work, right? Here is your favorite sandwich. This is the best sandwich ever, Mom. Perfect timing for a fresh watermelon.
Yes!
Yes!
It looks so sweet and red.
Go back to your family, Big Fish. Oh, he's going home now, Genu. You did a great thing. Bye-bye, Fish. See you next time.
Good job, buddy. You learned a lot today.
I think Genu learned more than just fishing today.
He learned the magic of waiting.
He is really growing up. He was very gentle with it.
He showed a lot of maturity and patience today.
Let's start packing up our trash. Don't leave anything. We will leave no trace behind, just like true explorers. Ah!
Can you carry the empty basket back to the car?
Sure. The fish gave me super strength. You were very brave when the fish pulled the line. I know. I didn't panic at all. I was a professional. Look, the sunset is turning the sky pink and purple.
It's a beautiful end to a really wonderful day. Put the fishing rods in the back carefully.
All done. I'll make sure the car doors are locked.
I am so tired now. My eyes are closing. Fishing is hard work, little brother. You can sleep.
Are seatbelts on, everyone? Ready to head back?
We are all buckled up and ready to go home.
You are already falling asleep, you sleepyhead. Just resting my eyes for 1 minute.
He is totally asleep, not moving at all.
The fresh air and excitement completely knocked him out.
Today was a huge success. I'm glad we came.
Yes. No screens, no stress, just pure nature.
Did you have fun today too, Rumi?
Yes, Mom. I really loved the quiet time by the water.
That's wonderful.
We should do this more often on the weekends.
I agree. Maybe a trip to the beach next time?
Home sweet home. We made it back safely.
Let's carry our sleepy little fisherman inside to his bed.
I bet he is dreaming about catching giant fish right now.
A perfect and peaceful end to a perfect family day.